Hey everyone, welcome to the Dimidrone's channel, and today we're flying over a Croatian city called Zadar. Zadar, a city on Croatia's Dalmatian coast, is known for the Roman and Venetian ruins of its peninsular old town. There are several Venetian gates in the city walls. Surrounding the Roman-era forum is 11th century St. Mary's convent, with religious art dating to the 8th century. There's also the grand 12th century St. Anastasia's Cathedral and the around 9th century pre-Romanesque Church of St. Donatus. Now you can see circular St. Donatus Church with its bell tower on the right. Its name refers to Donatus of Zadar, who began construction on this church in the 9th century and ended it on the northeastern part of the Roman Forum. Originally named Church of the Holy Trinity, in the 15th century it was rededicated to Saint Donatus. Now you can see blue spot, which is called the Greetings to the Sun, and it's dedicated to the sun. It consists of 300 multi-layered glass plates placed on the same level as the stone-paved waterfront, and its diameter is 22 meters, with photovoltaic solar modules underneath. But all of the beauty of this installation revealed during the night time. Overall, the old town of Zadar is a picturesque and must-visit place. If you ever decide to go there, have fun exploring this charming coastal town. Wander the narrow streets, relax in the scenic squares and take in the sights. Don't forget to visit Greetings to the Sun monument at sunset. With its rich history and beautiful architecture, Zadar's old town offers a delightful experience for all visitors. I won't bother you with any facts, just kick back and enjoy the views. See you soon!